And white folk, I'm tired of y'all. We're gonna help y'all out. If you know anybody who lives in a hurricane area, in a trailer park, let them know that if your house is on wheels and the hurricane is coming, drive the off. Drive off. Just pull away. Black people, we get the hell out when a hurricane comes. We hope it blow on the first, that way we ain't got to pay rent. I'm not paying for this house, it ain't here no more, you see it? I'm not... White people won't run. I'm not gonna run. Give me some nails or some wood. They put their dogs in the house. You know black people dogs catch hell in a hurricane. They ain't going in the house. They be outside. Oh, shit. Oh. Help!